Leave them girl unattended so I can swoop in.
Meet the Mitchell family.
You look like you don't want to sleep in. Boy. Sunday morning and these little critters come wake me up.
I just shut up, big up, eh?
It's a beautiful day.
It's a beautiful day, it is. I agree.
The sun is shining.
What are we gonna do today?
We are making dinner.
Okay, how Buster come wake me up too? Hi Ivy. Ivy, sing something.
Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me.
Yay.
Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. What a way to wake up. You know, the parts of the vlog that you don't see is when Ivy was having a full-on tantrum for about 10 minutes. And it's an inconsolable tantrum. And if you have toddlers, you kind of know where that goes. And sometimes I'm able to stay really calm through it, like I was this morning. Sometimes it can be very triggering and, you know, send you off the deep end and you just feel crazy. But she just, you know, every now and again, like every other toddler, just has a moment of just like, and it's really hard sometimes to wake up to that. That's the joy of parenting, right? But, you know, I read something the other day that said, you know, the mark of a good parent is not simply the behavior of a child, but often the behavior of the parent. And often the behavior of the parent when the child is not cooperating or having a tantrum. And parenting is hard, y'all, as you know, and as I always say. Anyway, today looks like a beautiful sunny day. I told Wayne I'm building my chairs today because I am preparing myself from my room to move into my room sometime this week. That's what I am doing. I don't know about y'all, but that's what I'm doing. And over here, Ivy is doing her favorite pastime. What we call this, Maureen? Homework. She loves to sit and just color, draw, and she tell you everything to, you know. Do I? This is what I always like her to do because this is what she does the best. Can you draw a circle?
Yeah.
Okay, draw a circle. Beautiful, mommy. Okay, good. Can you circle? Can you draw a square?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where?
Oh, nice. That's a circle too. Very good, Ivy. Nice.
Where?
Oh, another page? Okay. Cool. What color is that?
Blue.
Oh, that's not blue. That's brown.
Wow.
Very good.
What color is this? Black.
Very good,
What?
Ozzy.
Black. Red. Huh? Red. Have you?
Page. What you looking at?
I look from the room and I go and daydream.
Yeah. We primed this wall this weekend for some paint. I'm really excited about this plant that we have going all around the side of this room. It's so nice because that's where we're going to be actually planting different plants. I think it will be really beautiful once that is done. And yeah, I think that's going to be very nice. And then eventually, you know, we'll take care of the landscaping out here. We're so close, guys. We're so close. Did I show you all my hit and miss fence that I love so much? Love this fence. And it's a gate. So it locks and it's beautiful. And I really like that. So, and then that's our gutter that comes off of the roof. And we're actually gonna have it maybe come off into that flower bed or just off into the garden because, you know, we need the water here. So water harvesting is definitely something that we want to look into as well for the future. So we shall see how we get around to it. We've always spoken about, you know, where we put the catchments and all of that stuff, and it's quite a thing.
Tami, don't feel no way, we have things for it today, you know.
Yeah, we do.
We have things to get, material to get and some.
Yes, Momo.
Stuff.
We were up till late watching movies last night. We were watching the new Hunger Games, I think it was. Me, Jackson, Atlas, Wayne, and Momo. But y'all already know. You all already know how that went.
You take clip?
Oh, I did.
Jesus, you're wicked.
Watch your Maureen.
Wow.
Imagine last night. You know what?
No man, you're wicked. Anyway, people, so Gio.
Here, buddy.
Gio.
No,
Gio. Too wicked.
No, this is me.
Wicked.
Me favorite.
Scandal. Scandal. I wasn't sleeping, I was resting my eyes.
Me and Jackson watch a movie and you are waiting.
I wasn't sleeping, I was resting my eyes. What's your name? Jungle Jim?
Jungle Jim.
Don't go no further than that. No further than that. People, don't bother fret for them. Boys will be boys. And I just saw the thing set. Me there I watch them. Oi, come down now. It's fun. It's fun until something goes wrong.
You feel the breeze?
What I was saying was that I saw this thing online, and you know how like when you're home the kids are just constantly asking for like snacks, and I go, can I get this and that, and I don't know if you remember a long time ago when your friend came to visit us with our kids, we did like a kid charcuterie board with like snacks, and it's like a grazing board. So I'm thinking to go to Low Shoe Stand today and make a little board for them. It's their last day of midterm, and just do it for them. That'll be fun. You don't care. It's gonna be fun. I'm researching it right now. I cannot see my nose anymore when I stand behind you. Isn't this wild? Like I can't see my nose. How did he get so tall?
Tami?
He was just born, and I'm not a short girl. I'm pushing 5'8".
Give him a year and a half.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh.
My
Year
movie
and a half and
partner.
then gone,
Movie partner.
Who doesn't let me down.
I don't let you down.
Like these guys that fall asleep.
Dad, you went like at 11.
Yeah, Momo
You left
was
so
11:05.
No, Mama left at the end.
But we stuck it
Atlas
out to the
first.
end.
Atlas was like on me, so he pulled me down.
Can't believe this child is so big.
Big
How did this happen?
child.
Oh my gosh.
Movie partners forever.
Right here.
Oh,
You have grown too.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
All of your boys, them so
Come,
gone.
Ivy. Let me see how tall you are. Come here. Oh my goodness. Whoa, Nelly. Can I have a kiss? Just Atlas left now, who is also very tall.
No.
Jack, Atlas, come measure on the wall. Who's gonna go first?
Me.
Alright, let's go. Let's go.
Yes,
Turn around.
Ivy's going now.
Feet on the edge of the wall. This wall is iconic. Standing up straight. Okay, stay there. Go through. Oh my goodness.
Oh my
Look
goodness.
where you are. You're right about where Gio was in 2016.
Wait, so I'm taller than Gio
So
when he was in
this
2016?
Is this? So he was 11. So you're a little taller
I'm taller
than
than
him.
him.
Just, yeah, well, now you are.
Mm.
What day is today?
My turn now.
Me. 1 second.
My turn.
Me.
Your turn.
24. Jax.
Jackson?
Okay, good. Straight. Ready? Oh my goodness, who is this? This would have been 11. This would have been Gio, because you weren't born yet.
What year was that?
2011. Alright, excuse me.
Wait, but I thought Atlas was the oldest.
That was Gio when he was 6.
But now he's not the oldest.
So that means this one is very tall.
Man.
And Daddy, I was taller than Gio when he was 11.
Okay, this is Ozzy. And this is, what were we? Me. 2024. Okay, Atlas, your turn. Almost your turn, Mommy. Okay, here. Oh, wow, cool. Okay, heels
How does
back.
that say my name? I'm not that tall.
That's our prediction. And Gio's way taller than this at 18. Alright, so this one, you're the same as Gio here in 2014. Look. Turn around.
Gio was
84,
Oh.
86,
So Gio was 8. And you are
7.
74,
So how that go now?
74.
So this is Gio. This is Atlas. Atlas is the same height that Gio was when he was 8.
Really?
Atlas
Yeah.
is 7.
And he's 7.
What?
You're going to be 8 though. So it makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now it's time for
Right?
That's
It's your
crazy.
first time getting measured on the wall. Come on.
Evie.
Turn around. Feet all the way back. Stand up straight.
Was that my first time?
Look straight ahead. And here.
The pencil just disappeared.
Okay.
The beard.
Uh-oh. Where was this? Oh, it's this exact mark here. So whoever this was in February. This is Jax in 2015 when he was 2. You guys are the same height.
Yeah!
Whoa.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, girl.
And then this is
What month is that for Jack?
February. Ivy 2024. Yay!
Yeah. So guys, you see, that's why when you have a lot of children, to keep comparison and to keep tabs on who was where, when they were what age.
I couldn't even
Yeah,
walk.
make sure you have a Hall of Fame.
Look at how I've come.
It's not a Wall of Fame, it's a Hall of Fame. You get
That's
it?
not Jack.
And guess what? Nobody can come paint out this, you know. Them can paint everywhere in the house, but painters can't trouble your son on at all, baby. Yeah.
What Momo blend up give her now?
Momo, what is?
Is it good, Jax? I mean Atlas. Get my names mixed up today. Mango. Greens for sure.
Jesus, Momo, me about one ear with day night. Me just go drink it.
Mo, what's in it? Oh, some parsley. So tell me what's in it, Mo. So we have mango, parsley. What you him done it?
Well, it's fruit, so you give me free blend.
Oh, the smoothie mix with the kale, the pineapple. Okay, good. The green juice mix. Boy, dirty fly. Mercy me. So it's a green juice. It's a green goddess mix. Lovely. Can I see the consistency?
Good, guys.
Wow. Oh my, that looks very serious. Yummy. Yeah, them drink it though. I wonder if Ivy would have taste some. My word, I was just talking to Sin this weekend about what we're gonna be wearing for our SunFest hosting.
Yeah, jump the gun, guys. You know it's summer. Summer is here, and guys, it's the road to SunFest again. We're back on board for the SunFest live stream. You know that is free, and that don't mean say we don't need to stay home and watch it in the luxury of the home. That means that if one can come, when buy on a ticket and come, there's no experience like the SunFest experience when you're live there in living color, feeling the vibes and the energy. If you can't make it, then you know say we are gonna up on the stream, and the stream I got free again this year, and it's going to be awesome and amazing. SunFest have some top acts this year. just like last year, but I feel like them go even bigger this year. Feel like it got bigger this year. Proper.
I'm excited about Babyface as our international act that is gonna be gracing the stage of SunFest. But there's so many local acts, our very own superstars here that I'm so excited about.
Yeah.
And then what I'm really excited about, as I was last year, are, you know, kind of like the breakthrough artists, the younger acts. And for me this year is Nighty Boy. I cannot wait to see his performance.
One father blind.
Yeah, he is an incredible person, an incredible artist. He is doing wonderful things on and off stage. I mean, getting his degree, all kind of things. We can't bother with
No,
him.
you get it right. Double major.
Sorry, double major.
Okay.
I don't even know the terms.
Yeah.
You know how it goes.
And speaking of Nighty Boy, I am talking to him about SunFest and the whole, because you know he's an original Mobe man. You know?
Right.
So it's like a homecoming to come back to Catherine Hall for SunFest.
Yes, yes.
And I talked to him about that and so many other things on the cut, which is tonight, which is coming on tonight on CVM TV, and then later on in the week I'll put that on the YouTube channel. You know that already. So we'll have Niger Boy and Niger Clark tonight on the cut. So yeah, back to SunFest.
Yeah, sorry, that was a battle of the Nigels.
Yeah.
That made me laugh.
Facts.
But yes, he's definitely an act I'm super excited about seeing. Then, as always, Wayne is going to be teaching me the songs.
Yeah, man.
Because
Up to scratch.
you know, Semina up to date
Yeah, up to date.
with everything I go on. Cause even Niger, as much as I love him,
For the life of me, I can't understand why some man so foolish. Russian, them boy fi go a girl's class, actually never mind. Make them slip and slide, leave them girl unattended so I can swoop in. Like an eagle when Susie Lisa choose. Yo, I'm a fan.
I'm gonna be left behind.
Oh, by the way, that was Niger Boy's song, because she probably don't
I know that was Niger Boy's song. Anyway, we're very excited. Yes, I jumped the gun and I was talking about outfits, but guys, I feel like we even with that, we have to top last year. So we are already starting to try and figure all of that out. I'm very excited. I told you last time I was really nervous about doing it, and I'm so happy that this year I feel excited, not just nervous but excited about how it's gonna be. So Road to SunFest starts now.
Road to SunFest starts now. We'll keep you guys
in the loop
as to which artists and all of these things to look forward to, and you know them have the whole pre-SunFest lead up events and everything. We're gonna make it know.
Yeah, and while we're here, just drop your favorite Niger Boy song in the comments so that I can go and learn it. Why? When you said Russian a while ago, I was like, what does he mean? And then I realized it's the producer, right?
Right. Tami, I forgot to catch that one too, you know. From the first day, when me book her upstate, girl, I said she love the general like a cupcake.
I tell you I know that one.
You know it, Tami.
But I know the melody. Upstate.
Girl, I said she love the general like a cupcake. She said, don't wait, me I tell you just stay. One more night until the sun rays again. Sorry baby, me know you frustrate. Murder, yeah?
First time.
Father.
I can do that safely.
I'll work for you. Don't worry about it.
I'm hungry. Let's go. These are ridiculous. This lasts for months.
So Tami, what they say I'm going with them?
Oh, my little fun board for the kids.
This look
This is what I was talking about, the charcuterie. There's this thing that says that if you put some of your children's favorite foods together with some of their not so favorite foods, they have a better chance at eating them. Which I was like, oh, that's
cheese
clever.
over there, sir?
Like a cheese, come on, let me take you through it. It's just some Chex Mix, some nuts, some fruits, a little sweetie fruit snack, some crackers, pretzels, cheese, marshmallows, and the only thing left that I'm gonna add to this are some pretzels and a little Nutella for them. How's he look? Come see me.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
This is a little charcuterie board. So on here we have all kinds of things. You have grapes, you have your pretzels and your Nutella, you have your fruit snacks, all kinds of things. And you have some apples and all that good stuff.
Can we double it?
Yeah, you can. Good question. How is that?
Great.
Nice, right?
Thank you, Mom. Yes.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much,
You're
Mommy.
very welcome.
You are a good mother.
Give me a kiss.
I love that.
Yes, when you're not threatening to throw me in the trash can, I'm a good mother, right? You love it?
Yes.
All right, now you can enjoy your movie.
Okay.
All right.
Oh, we forgot to turn it off.